Welcome back, trader. Today's session is an exciting one. I'll be breaking down this chart and providing a clear analysis of what's happening. If you're new to the channel and appreciate free educational content, be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest insights. Let's dive in. The indicators featured in this example include the Trend IQ dashboard, the 1-minute Bullish Pivot Pro, the Key Level Spotter, and the dynamic volume histogram at the bottom. These are custom-built TradingView indicators developed in-house and exclusively shared with our educational community. The Trend IQ dashboard is designed to identify critical information before entering a trade. This indicator will instantly display the ticker symbol, float size, trade type, how many red candles have been spotted, what is the largest red candle pullback, is the current price extended, the current 1-minute volume, and major key values to monitor for volume and price action. This information allows me to assess the quality of the trade fast and make a better informed decision. Knowing whether it is a high-quality or low-quality setup allows me to better mitigate risk by adjusting my size and stop levels accordingly. The 1-minute Bullish Pivot Pro is designed to provide real-time signals and overlays directly on the chart. This user-friendly indicator is fully customizable to accommodate any trading style. To enhance clarity, we've integrated a candle color change feature. When the strategy indicates a bullish setup, candles appear green, and when bearish conditions arise, they turn red. In the top right, the indicator table will identify the strategy and trend sentiment. This advanced indicator has multiple strategies built in for optimized results. We added an easy-to-follow trend zone to better understand direction. Users can change the color of the trend zone to customize this indicator further. For this example, I chose green for our long trend zone and red for our short trend zone. This trend zone acts as a dynamic support and resistance on the fly and helps stay in winning trades longer. For momentum traders, we've incorporated key pivot zones to enhance risk management. These zones make it easier to distinguish between bullish and bearish sentiment. When a candle closes above the pivot zone, it presents a potential long opportunity. By using the pivot zone as a risk management tool, traders gain a clear reference for setting stop-loss levels. This information allows for a more precise assessment of the setup, enabling traders to adjust position size and stop levels accordingly. Green and red chart signals are displayed whenever a bullish or bearish signal is detected. By default, bullish signals appear in green and bearish signals in red. However, these colors can be fully customized in the user settings to match your preferences. The Key Level Spotter is designed to forecast potential overbought and oversold areas on the chart. While similar to the RSI, it goes a step further by utilizing a predictive formula to estimate future overbought and oversold levels. This feature helps identify predetermined profit-taking points for both long and short positions, aligning with key areas where traders commonly secure profits. BVT alerts indicate a bullish vertical trend, which serves as a potential red flag. When a BVT signal appears, I prefer to secure some or all of my profits, as a pullback often follows. If I'm not already in the trade, I wait for a pullback and a confirmed close above a new key pivot zone to mitigate risk. Maintaining discipline and following the strategy ensures consistency and execution. The dynamic volume histogram is designed to identify volume trends and confirm bullish versus bearish momentum. To simplify analysis, it features a color-coded system for quick trend strength identification. Red bars indicate low volume and a weak trend. Yellow bars represent moderate volume, signaling the need for extra caution. Green bars highlight strong volume momentum, making them key areas to consider for both long and short trades. This visual approach allows traders to assess volume strength at a glance and make more informed trading decisions. When analyzing the price action for ticker CRVO, we observed that volume remained low until after 10 a.m. Once volume increased, the Key Level Spotter identified that the price had reached an overbought level, signaling a potential pullback before the next upward move. As pivot levels began to form, they highlighted key areas to monitor for a bullish confirmation. Once volume stabilized and bullish pivot signals appeared, the price action demonstrated clear bullish sentiment, providing strong momentum in favor of long traders. Our custom scanner alerted CRVO just before 10 a.m. at a price just below $3. The stock then surged to a daily high of $6.54, marking an impressive gain of over 120% in under 2 hours. With our custom TradingView indicators, we can identify key areas of value, high-quality trade setups, and real-time risk mitigation. By accessing the critical information needed to make informed decisions, we remove the emotional aspect of trading. Sticking to a structured trade plan and maintaining discipline leads to consistent results. Many traders integrate these custom strategies with their preferred indicators for a more refined and strategic trading approach. Comment below and let us know which indicators you find most useful and why. By sharing information and growing together as a community, we can better prepare for trades ahead. In the end, we all have the same goal: make money and live life. I encourage you to like and subscribe if you found any value in this chart analysis. Consider sharing this video to help other traders gain a better understanding of price, action, and volume. Until next time, get in, get green, and get out. Thanks for watching. Do you want to continue learning and gain full access to our custom TradingView indicators? Visit bullishboblive.com and join our educational community today.